nonetheless. Hello, you trader nerds. It is I, Sweet Bobby, your lovable, incredible host with my dog barking in the background. I apologize for that. Good to be with you today. Wow. What is the market doing? It is down almost 0.4%, down 25 points on the E-mini after making an all-time high yesterday. And today, the NQ is down about 0.8%, down 174 points. So you know it's hurting our positions in our lovable TQQQ. But who cares? Who gives a rat's behind? Because we are going to be just fine. So, ladies and gentlemen, the real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. We've got Armando from Mexico with us today. We got DB, we got Dwayne, we got Hal, we got Skip, we got John, we got Matt Jollywally from Kentucky, Roll Tide. We got Mo, we got Notional Ed from Louisiana. We've got Tom and Vicky with a Y. How y'all doing, folks? Good time to, and it is good having Armando with us. So glad to have you, Armando. He's a new subscriber to our Discord group, and we are honored to have him. And look at this, y'all. The VIX is at 15, so it's poked its head up a little bit. Here's the interesting part is the AD is positive. Remember that AD was negative like yesterday and the market was up? Well, today the AD, the advanced decliners, are up with the market down. Very, very interesting. It's almost like I think I need to look and see like what our friends Apple and NVIDIA and Netflix are all doing because the NASDAQ is kind of big down today. I need to look at that. Like, what is it? The Don, what's his name? Kaufman calls them the Titans of Techs. Titans of Techs. Titans of, what does he call it? The Titans of Techs. I don't know what he calls it. Now, Dwayne, don't you be cussing in here. I don't know any Spanish. All I watch on TV is drug lords and cartels from Colombia and Mexico. I'm right now on a 73 episode Pablo Escobar thing on Netflix. And my gosh, y'all, I mean, if Pablo pulls out the little notepad out of his little pencil pocket, you are gone, baby. If he writes your name down, you are gone. And one of the guys was dating one of his girlfriends. And did he not think that that was not going to end up badly for him? You don't sit there and go, oh, who was your previous boyfriend? And she goes, oh, Pablo Escobar. Friend, that's when you drive the truck out of there, homie. You don't say, check, please, get me out of here. Oh, my gosh. So, anyway, I love all of that, and I had to watch the subtitles, so that's kind of bad, but nonetheless. So the market down today, baby, down today. Let's see how our volume profile, our big green monster, let's see if it gives us any clues as to where some support and resistance is. And here we are on the ES. Big Green Monster has support at the 6,111, and we're headed there, baby. We're at 6,162. We are at the point of control. Look at that, but we are fairly priced. Don't let anyone tell you we're overbought, we're oversold. We are fairly priced. Let's look at the NQ, see if we can glean any information from that. NASDAQ, baby. NASDAQ is coming back to the 50% line. We're a little bit under the point of control there. And look at me drawing trend lines like I know what I'm talking about. I am the worst trader on the planet. Don't listen to me. Proceed with caution because I am horrible. If y'all hadn't told over the last 3 or 4 years of us being together, then I'm pretty bad. All right. So anyway, but anybody can have a YouTube channel. Anybody can anybody, hey, it doesn't take any talent at all to turn the old microphone on and the camera on. So nonetheless, we are here, and I'm grateful that you are with us. So let's look at our account for the day. I'm scared to look, y'all. Oh my gosh, we're down $612. This was only down $200 just a little bit ago before NASDAQ took a dive. So that's not too bad considering that we are in TQQQ, and TQQQ is down 2.6% today. Might it be good time to sell a cash secured put in TQQQ? Let's look at it. So we're up $2,500 year to date, and all the accounts are up $14,500. We're only using 45% of our buying power, so that's good. And let's look at our positions here. Bill is up $18 on the day. So that's up $116 total. TQQQ, we've got those two covered calls. And remember, this one was down like $400 yesterday. This covered call at 86. Look at there. Our strike is 86 and the TQQQ is at 86.09. So we're getting close to this one being out of the money, baby. And we sold this one. Look, this one's doing nice. It's at 30% there. And what do we got in our MES? MES, our naked put, is only down $6.87. Who said that 111s were terrible? 111s are a great trade, and we are back in them. So everything's looking good. 571 on the total net licks of all the accounts here. And I think it is a day that we're going to sell a cash secured put in TQQQ. Let's look at it. Let's see what kind of strike we can get and what kind of premium we can get with volatility coming up. Let's look at the chart first of TQQQ. Let's just see what it looks like. TQQQ has been up, up, and away, baby. So we haven't had a lot of down candles. Got a big one there. I think that's where we sold a cash secured put, and we probably closed it right there. So if you look at the chart, I mean, we're not really our 377 shares. I guess our cost basis is 73.81. Let's see where we can sell one at. 73.81. Let's trade. Let's go to 42 days, baby. And let's see where we can sell a put. If we were to go to well, first of all, I got to figure out what the trading plan says. I cannot wait for my next book to come out. Y'all are going to be so good, so impressed with it. It's let's see what our trading plan says. A graduate millionaire, TQQ trading strategy, Sweet Bobby trading plan. Here we go. All right, let's see if it says option strategy, put selling guidelines. Only sell puts when the FFR is not active. That's the federal funds rate signal. It is not active now. Sell puts on down day. That's today. Cash must be available in bill to secure the puts. Contract size, let's see, VIX is between 15 and 20. Sell a 20 to 25 delta put. So let's look at that. 20 to 25 delta put. So that would put us about, our cost basis is 73. And if we were to, oh my gosh, how come there's no money in these 60 something puts here? Let's go up to, let's see what we can do. $2.09. It's a bit wide bid-ask spread in there. Let's see what the 56 days look like. 56 days. Oh yeah. There we go. Let's do better. Go below our cost basis at 73.71. And let's do 25 or 27. Why don't we do this one? It's just beyond the expected move. Let's sell this one for 253. Let's try 254. Bill me, baby. Be careful who you say that to, especially if you've got a restraining order against you. And we are failed. So let's go to our position now, or let's go here and close it. So we'll close that at 50% profit. Rocka. So it's a GTC order. You want to make sure it's a GTC, and we'll put it in for half of what we sold it for the $1.27. And there we are. So great. So now we're using 51% of our buying power. All looks good, y'all. I'm very excited. Very excited. All right, so let's see what our little hedge looks like. Let's go to positions and how we get cap requirement. We had a little bit there. Let's see if we move today to the 24th. We have a little bit of a hedge, y'all. Not much. We got about $14,000 worth of hedge there. What does it look like on Monday? Monday, we still got $11,600. For some reason, I'm not exactly sure. Leon, let's see. Armando is in Leon, Guanajuato, Mexico. Guanajuato, Mexico. And Dwayne is about 1,000 miles north in Dallas. Wow, how about that? Going through the big D, don't mean Dallas. Who sang that song? Don't remember. So we got a little bit of hedge on here. So if the market were to crash, baby, we would put $11,640 in our pocket and we would immediately go and buy TQQ. All right. So that is the extent of our class today. We will immediately go into Muscadine Mafia sessions where we'll talk a little bit about scalping. We've been covering that lately, and I got to spend an hour and a half today with my friend. So I've spent about 3 hours over the last couple of days scalping with him and watching him do it. And I will share some insights for that in our Muscadine Mafia session. For the rest of you, Guadalajara, baby, I will see y'all Monday.